From gate dispute to lifetime ban. The legal battle over an Escalated airline arrest, a routine disagreement over carry-on luggage, has escalated into a high-stakes legal battle involving American Airlines, Dallas-Fort Worth, DFW, International Airport, and two passengers who claim a customer service dispute was unnecessarily transformed into a violent criminal encounter. The incident at DFW, the dispute began on April 14, 2024, while passengers Peter Williams and Mary Jane Williams were traveling from Evansville, Indiana, to Phoenix via Dallas. According to a lawsuit filed in the Northern District of Texas, the conflict originated when airline agents informed Mrs. Williams that she had too many carry-on items and would need to check one of them. When she refused to comply with the airline's policy, the situation moved beyond the gate. The plaintiffs allege that American Airlines employees made false or misleading statements to law enforcement, effectively outsourcing a passenger service issue to the DFW Airport Police. Escalation and arrest, bodycam footage, and court filings paint a picture of a rapidly deteriorating situation. As police arrived, the passengers were informed they were being denied boarding, a decision that, under airline regulations, is often final and not subject to debate at the gate. The confrontation turned physical when Peter Williams was arrested. The lawsuit and video evidence highlight several critical points. Use of force. The arrest involved physical force, resulting in visible injuries to Mr. Williams. Communication breakdown. While the passengers appeared uncooperative, repeatedly refusing to leave the area. The footage suggests that officers were unclear on the specific cause of the dispute, noting discrepancies in instructions. The aftermath. Following the arrest, American Airlines imposed a lifetime ban on both passengers. The legal hurdle. Can airlines be held liable for arrests? While the plaintiffs argue that American Airlines wrongfully denied carriage and summoned police without justification, they face significant legal obstacles. In the United States, airlines operate under broad protections. Discretionary power. Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44902(b), carriers have the right to refuse boarding to any passenger they deem inimical to safety. Courts generally grant airlines wide latitude in these decisions, provided they are not arbitrary or capricious. Contract of carriage. Most airline contracts allow them to refuse service to passengers who are uncooperative or refuse to follow crew instructions. The causation problem. A major challenge for the Williams family is proving that the airline is responsible for the arrest itself. Legally, the decision to arrest lies with the police, and the decision to prosecute lies with the state. To win, the plaintiffs must prove that airline employees knowingly provided false information to trigger the arrest. Context. A growing trend of outsourced conflict. This case highlights a contentious trend in the aviation industry. The tendency to involve law enforcement in routine customer service disputes. While airlines have a right to maintain order, the transition from a policy disagreement, like luggage limits, to a criminal trespass arrest raises questions about training and de-escalation. However, legal experts note that this case differs significantly from high-profile incidents like the 2017 David Dow case. In the Dow incident, a passenger was forcibly removed from a seat he had already occupied. In the Williams case, the dispute centered on a refusal to comply with boarding requirements, which provides the airline with a much stronger legal defense. Conclusion. The lawsuit serves as a stark reminder of how quickly a travel inconvenience can spiral into a life-altering legal event. While the passengers seek justice for a perceived overreaction, the outcome will likely hinge on whether they can prove the airline intentionally misled the police to facilitate the arrest.